An Action Ultra HD camera with some crazy features. Or what about a multi-tool gadget? That's not all in today's video. We have some interesting picks for you. All the links to the products are in the description below. Anchor Nebula Capsule DLP's advanced IntelliBright algorithms deliver a remarkably bright 100 ANSI lumen image equipped with a powerful omnidirectional speaker. This mini projector pumps out sound all around. Enjoy your favorite movies, TV shows, and more, up to 100 inches big anywhere in your home. Thanks to Capsule's soda concise design, runs streaming and media apps flawlessly, seamlessly display content from Netflix, YouTube, and more on your mini projector for endless entertainment. Copyrighted content from Hulu, Netflix, and similar service cannot be mirrored or screencast. Corinth Catch 3 Classics. Custom made to elevate tech to a new design level. We add premium Italian designer leather, durable high-grade aluminum alloy, and a braided nylon cable to our smart wireless charging technology, proving once again that tech can be cutting-edge and stylish without fumbling with cords. Place your phone on the Qi-certified wireless charger for up to 10-watt charging. We designed our wireless chargers with a large 3-coil charging area to make charging alignment effortless. Premium Italian leather is the high-end designer's leather of choice. It is more than beautiful, it is also gold-rated and Blue Angel certified, which are the highest environmental and sustainability ratings in the industry. The Valet-style wireless charger provides an all-in-one place to charge your device and keep your accessories organized. It seamlessly blends into your home and lifestyle. The weighted non-slip construction, make sure it stays where you place it. It is ideal for entryways and bedside tables. Level 2 herbal oil and butter infusion. Machine Love O2 is the only appliance that lets you infuse any herb into just about anything. Think oil, butter, honey, vegetable glycerin, and more at the touch of a button. Just load it up, press some buttons, and dispense infused magic that you can use in any recipe. With Level 2, you can dry fresh herbs from a garden, activate medicinal herbs, infuse anything, even roots and peppercorns, and dispense into the container of your choice. Level 2 uses patented technology to infuse all of the good stuff and none of the bad stuff without aerating your infusion to optimize shelf life. Put your hands in the air. Although this thing looks like an M1911 magazine, it's actually just a card holder. Instead of bullets, you can load it with 6 cards, 20 business cards, or about 6 cigarettes. Just like the original pistol, the card holder is made from the same materials and even has the double diamond pattern, so it won't lose its premium look with time. When you need a card, just press the release button, and the inner magazine will drop into your hand. With the finger you can remove the card you need. And here comes the key feature: slide the inner magazine back inside to hear that unmistakable reload click. This is the best way to honor the fallen soldiers during the Second World War. The design of this flashlight was inspired by the legendary fighter jet Curtiss P-40 Warhawk. Just like the jet, it's small yet super sturdy and powerful, lighting up your way with 50 lumens within a 16-foot range. It glows with 3 different colors and runs around 4 hours on 1-cell battery. Finally, it's so tiny you can easily put it on your keychain. There are billions of pocket knives, but how to pick a worthy one? This one looks pretty sophisticated. But that's not the only pro yet. We must admit the locking mechanism looks stunning. You can deploy the blade with a push of a thumb, bang, and you've got a razor-sharp claw in your hand. So cool and so handy in emergencies. Just in case, there's also a glass breaker. The ergonomic handle makes the knife an extension of your hand. When folded, it's safe, so you can fix the tool with a clip in your pocket. Our keyrings keep growing bigger and bigger, making it harder to carry and use them. It's time to stop that. This elegant key organizer does a great job at keeping things handy and slim in your pocket. It holds up to 5 keys and pops them out with a single twist at the same time. It's a stylish accessory that combines eco-tanned leather with a durable locking mechanism.
Hello friends! This is a new selection of cool products from AliExpress and Amazon. Click like and let's go! All links to the products in the description below the video.